Respond.io is an AI-powered customer conversation management software that helps businesses capture and convert leads into customers and retain them by leveraging the power of conversations, capture every lead from ads, consolidate conversations into one platform, and seamlessly integrate your CRM to keep customer information organized all in one place with Respond.io. To connect your Hubspot account with Respond.io, click on Settings at the left sidebar and go to Workplace Settings. Then click on Integrations. In the Integrations list, look for HubSpot and click on the Manage button. Next, click on the Connect HubSpot button and choose the account you want to connect to. Do note that only one HubSpot account can be connected per workspace. Then, click on the Connect App button. You can then select which properties you'd like to view and edit on Respond.io for your contacts. You can select up to 500 properties. You can choose to automatically create contacts on Respond.io whenever they're added to HubSpot. To keep things organized, simply enabling adding a tag to identify contacts created through this flow. You can also opt to exclude contacts that were bulk created or imported into HubSpot. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Respond.io. Now you can easily view and edit a contact's information directly on Respond.io by clicking the HubSpot button from the Contact drawer, found in the Inbox or Contacts module, so you can manage all customer interactions in one place for a real-time unified view. With a comprehensive sales inbox, agents can share product recommendations from a WhatsApp catalog. Use AI Assist to generate responses that are relevant and contextually appropriate, and AI prompts to effortlessly translate messages into over 90 languages, adjust tone, and correct spelling and grammar mistakes, which helps to convert leads faster. With our Workflows module, you can automate routine tasks such as booking appointments, collecting information, and qualifying leads. For example, you can use AI agent trained on your knowledge source to handle common queries and lead assignments, ensuring leads get the right answers to their questions and assigned to the right agents. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain a consistent and dynamic communication flow, pushing leads further down the funnel effectively. As a WhatsApp business solution provider, Respond.io lets you create message templates, submit them for approval, and manage them all directly on the platform. In the Broadcast module, you can then re-engage with customers using promotional messages tailored to their interests. Simply select your target audience and send the broadcast using the approved message templates to keep your brand top of mind and encourage them to keep coming back for more. Managers can also use the Reports module to track which ad each lead came from, giving valuable insights into customer interactions and engagement. Plus, you can monitor agent activities for full visibility, helping to boost team performance and close deals faster. All this on a platform that's reliable, secure, and backed by exceptional customer support, keeping your business up and running so you can focus on growth without unnecessary stress. We've helped over 10,000 brands in more than 85 countries to grow their businesses and see outstanding results. Some of our customers have seen first response times reduced by 84%, generating 10 times more leads each quarter, and increasing sales by 50% in less than a year. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, Respond.io is the partner you need.